Good morning, my friend. Picture this. You wake up, shuffle to the kitchen, and pour yourself the same breakfast you've had for years. Maybe toast, cereal, or a little juice. It feels harmless, even comforting. But what if I told you that simple routine could be working against you? It might be why your legs feel heavier than they used to, why your energy fades before the afternoon, why there's a nagging numbness or stiffness that's hard to explain. Most men over 60 chalk it up to aging. They think, well, I'm just getting old. But what if that's not the whole story? The truth is, your breakfast, your very first meal of the day, may be quietly shaping your circulation, your energy, even your confidence. And here's the hopeful part. With just a few smart swaps, you can restore blood flow, feel steadier on your feet, and bring back the vitality you thought was gone for good. Stay with me, because in this video, we're counting down 5 simple morning foods that boost circulation, protect your muscles, and support confidence in the areas that matter most. And one of them might already be in your fridge. Quick favor before we dive in. Let me know in the comments where you're watching from. I love seeing men and women tuning in from all over the world. And if you find this helpful, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video on senior vitality. All right, let's get into it. Here's the first truth bomb. Age is not the real enemy. Yes, getting older brings changes, but circulation problems, weak muscles, and fading energy aren't automatic. They're symptoms. Symptoms of your body not getting the right nutrients to keep blood vessels open, flexible, and strong. Think of it this way. Your body wants to support healthy blood flow. It wants to keep you moving, active, and confident. But if your morning fuel is processed, sugary, or nutrient poor, you're sending your body the wrong signal. And here's the myth. Many people believe the only answer is medication. But the truth? Some of the most powerful circulation boosters don't come in a pill bottle. They come from food. Your breakfast can either inflame and stiffen your arteries or relax and open them so blood flows freely. So no, your age doesn't automatically mean you have to slow down. The problem might just be sitting on your breakfast plate. If we haven't met before, my name is Dr. Jocelyn Carter. I specialize in men's health, and for the last 5 years, I've helped men in their 50s, 60s, 70s, and beyond reclaim their strength, vitality, and confidence. Not with complicated treatments, but with simple, science-backed habits. I've sat across from hundreds of men who thought they had lost their energy, their intimacy, their drive forever. But what we discovered time and again is that the solution can start with something as ordinary as your morning meal. So let's walk through 5 circulation boosting foods you can add to breakfast, starting today. Number 5, spinach. Let's begin with a green powerhouse, spinach. Biologically, here's why it matters. Spinach is packed with nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is the compound that relaxes and widens blood vessels, allowing more oxygen and nutrients to reach your muscles, legs, and yes, even your pelvic region. Emotionally, the difference is striking. Men tell me they feel lighter, more energized, even more confident in their intimacy once circulation improves. Practically, it's simple. 1 serving of spinach in a smoothie, omelet, or sautéed with eggs gives you over 800 milligrams of nitrates. That's enough to spark stronger blood flow for hours. Pro tip, eat it in the morning because nitric oxide levels peak 2 to 3 hours after. That means better circulation through your most active part of the day. Number 4, Greek yogurt with berries. Next up is a creamy combo that works in 2 ways. Greek yogurt delivers probiotics that calm inflammation in your gut. Why does that matter for circulation? Because an inflamed gut lining actually makes blood vessels stiffer and less responsive. Probiotics help reverse that. Then add berries, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries. They're loaded with anthocyanins and vitamin C, which keep blood vessels flexible and protect nitric oxide from breaking down too quickly. Biologically, it's like hitting reset on your circulation each morning. Emotionally, it feels indulgent, like a treat instead of a chore. Practically, it's fast. Just a bowl of yogurt topped with berries and you've set up your circulation for the day. Number 3, avocado. Now, here's one men often underestimate: avocado. Yes, it's creamy. Yes, it's delicious on toast. But more importantly, it's packed with healthy fats and potassium that help blood vessels open and close the way they should. Biologically, these nutrients directly improve something called flow-mediated dilation, a measure of how well your arteries expand when blood flow increases. Emotionally, men often tell me their legs feel less heavy, their energy steadier, their mood lifted. Practically, half an avocado in the morning, on toast, in a smoothie, or sliced with eggs, is enough to feel the difference. Bonus: healthy fats also help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Number 2, dark chocolate, 70% or higher. Yes, you heard that right, chocolate for breakfast, but not the sugary kind. You want dark chocolate at least 70% cacao. Why? Because it's rich in flavanols, plant compounds that boost nitric oxide and keep arteries supple. Biologically, flavanols restore morning circulation, which can dip overnight when antioxidant levels are low. Emotionally, starting the day with a square or two of chocolate feels almost rebellious, but in the best way. Practically, 2 small squares with your coffee or alongside yogurt is enough to get the benefit. Number 1, pomegranate. Finally, the king of circulation foods, pomegranate. Pomegranate seeds and juice are loaded with polyphenols, especially elagitannins and anthocyanins, which directly improve blood vessel diameter and protect nitric oxide. Biologically, this means stronger, more reliable blood flow throughout the body, including areas that affect stamina, energy, and intimacy. Emotionally, eating pomegranate feels vibrant, almost celebratory, a way to remind yourself you're investing in your health. Practically, half a cup of seeds or a small glass of pure juice, diluted if you prefer, is a perfect morning dose. All right, let's put this all together into a simple morning blueprint. Your 5 circulation foods are spinach, Greek yogurt with berries, avocado, dark chocolate, 70% plus, pomegranate. Here's how you can use them in one day. Breakfast smoothie, spinach plus berries plus Greek yogurt. Mid-morning snack, half an avocado with whole grain toast. With coffee, 2 small squares of dark chocolate. Lunch side, pomegranate seeds sprinkled over salad. You don't need all 5 every day, but the more you combine them, the stronger the effect. These foods actually work together. Berries help protect nitric oxide from spinach, avocado helps you absorb pomegranate's polyphenols, and yogurt probiotics make the whole process more efficient. Think of it as a team working in your favor. Now let me reassure you, if your circulation has been poor, if you've been feeling weaker, colder, or less confident, you are not broken. You don't need to accept fatigue, heaviness, or loss of vitality as your new normal. I've seen men in their 60s and 70s make these changes, just small shifts at breakfast. And within weeks, their legs felt lighter, their energy returned, and their confidence quietly rebuilt. This isn't about being perfect, it's about progress. Each morning you choose one of these foods, you're telling your body, I still care. I still want to live with strength and dignity. So here's my challenge for you. This week, add just one of these foods to your morning. Spinach in your smoothie, berries in your yogurt, or maybe a square of dark chocolate with your coffee. Then come back here and tell me in the comments what you noticed. More energy? Less heaviness in your legs? Better stamina? I want to hear your story. And if this video spoke to you, please give it a like, share it with a friend who needs this encouragement, and hit subscribe so you don't miss my next video, where I'll reveal the 3 hidden habits that slow circulation without you even realizing it. Remember this, your age is not the end of vitality. With the right choices, you can restore comfort, freedom, and confidence. One morning, one meal, one day at a time. Stay strong, stay hopeful, and I'll see you in the next video.